Suudsu.
Gummy bears and milk.
Sounds gross, but it's pretty good. Put it in the microwave. Should we, how long? 8 seconds? 30 would be too
30.
long. No, 30 would be too long.
30.
I don't want the milk to explode.
The milk could explode.
What?
Nothing happened. Let's put it in for 15. We should put it for like a long time, but like shortened periods, so it has a little chance to cool down, so it doesn't explode in our faces, and on my camera, and on the microwave and destroy it. Like they're gathering in the center because it's spinning around. It's steaming. Let's take it out.
Wait, let's take it out because it's steaming.
Here, let's see.
Apparently,
It's a bad idea to do this, but oh my god, some of them disintegrated.
what's going on?
Pick.
Yeah.
He turned to goo. Oh, gross.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh my god.
Try it.
No. It's my god, jeez.
I dare you.
Is this how they make cotton?
I dare you to try it.
No, it looks just a little. I don't want to throw up. Just a little. Why? We experimented and it looks wrong. Ah! What are you doing?
If you get sick, I'm gonna bust your brain.
Ah.
Stop it now.
It doesn't make it.
Stuff together. It's gonna make you ill.